When looking at cognitive load theory, there are three types that are discussed. This is the intrinsic load, extraneous load, and germane load. Cognitive load theory has evolved over the past 3 decades to become a major framework for understanding the impacts of instruction and instructional materials on learner success, as stated by Feld in 2019. In essence, cognitive load theory looks at how people learn and retain long-term memory. Traditionally, cognitive load theory has always considered the acquisition of domain-specific knowledge, the knowledge associated with specific task areas in a specific domain, in the form of schemas in long-term memory and as a single uniform goal of any instructional task, as stated by Sin 2016. In studying cognitive load theory, it is interesting to note that students do learn at different levels and in different ways. As an educator, I've learned that focusing on extraneous load and taking a hands-on approach and involving students in the learning process greatly benefits them. Collaborative learning makes use of borrowing and reorganizing principle and is one of the justifications for hypothesizing that collaboration can be effective for learning, as stated by Kirschner 2018. For some students, giving them a hands-on approach in learning allows them to remember what they have practiced. At times, lectures may be beneficial. However, when you can engage students in the learning process and have them collaborating together, this works their senses in a manner that will allow them to retain what they have learned.